Big business news out of Supreme Court this morning. The justices will review whether Walmart must face a gender bias suit on behalf of 1 million of its workers. It's probably the biggest business-related case of the term. Our longtime Supreme Court correspondent Greg Stohr joins me now via phone. Greg, Walmart, largest private employer in this country, an employment issue definitely of concern here. How significant is the decision to agree to decide?
It's very significant. It's a case that companies made very clear they really wanted the Supreme Court to take because they were worried about the impact of the lower court decision had the Supreme Court not reviewed it. They were worried that it would create sort of a roadmap that would allow suits, particularly employment suits, on behalf of employees nationwide against all sorts of companies.
Now, explain to me this case, because it seems I don't know, counterintuitive that other companies would be urging the court to take up this case, but it's purely to sort of overrule what some of the lower courts had put them on the hook for?
Correct. There are a few companies that have concrete suits out there that they say could be affected. Costco, for example, has a similar suit against it, and that suit is on hold at the appeals court level until the Supreme Court resolves this one. There's a suit against Altria that the Supreme Court it may take up, and Altria has said that the Wal-Mart case may affect them. So it's really in the interest of companies to get this lower court ruling overturned and to ensure that the Supreme Court doesn't make it a nationwide ruling.